Experiencing apps not loading or opening on your Xumo Stream Box? This is often due to software instability or outdated files. First, try clearing the app's cache. Go to Home, Settings, Apps, Manage Apps, select the problematic app, and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary data that can cause crashes. If that doesn't work, check for updates. Navigate to Settings, System Update to ensure your device has the latest firmware. A stable internet connection, at least 25 mbps, is crucial for updates. Clearing cache resolves about 60% of app issues. If clearing the cache and updating don't solve the problem, try reinstalling the app. Go to Manage Apps, select the app, and choose Uninstall, then reinstall it from the Xumo store. This refreshes potentially corrupted files. Keep in mind that Xumo's ecosystem is evolving. Given the shift towards cloud-based solutions and the age of the device, also be aware that some apps may no longer be supported, and the device's support may be phased out in the near future. Consider exploring alternative streaming devices if issues persist.